In today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Nvidia RTX Voice on a system without an RTX card. The first thing you need to do is download the Nvidia RTX Voice setup file, link in the description below. Once downloaded, double-click it to start the setup. Since you don't have an RTX card, you will be met with this screen saying the installation cannot continue. This is fine, as we're going to force the install by modifying a setup file. So click Close and navigate to the setup file's temporary directory on your computer. This directory was created by the installer. Once in the NV RTX Voice directory, navigate to the NV AFX directory. Now, highlight the RTX Voice.nvi file and select Copy. Then, paste it in another location, your desktop for example. Right-click the file and select Edit. If you get a pop-up asking you which program you'd like to use to edit the file, choose Notepad. Once the file is open, highlight the following piece of text that contains the constraints. Once highlighted, delete it. Now simply save the file and close Notepad. With that done, right-click the RTX Voice.nvi file on your desktop and select Copy. Go back to the NV RTX Voice temp folder and paste the file. It will ask you if you would like to overwrite the file. Select Replace the file in the destination. Once the file has been replaced, go back a directory and run the setup file. With the constraints removed from the installation, the setup will install RTX Voice without issue. And with that, you now have RTX Voice installed. Make sure to set up your input device in RTX Voice, and don't forget to configure your software to use the RTX Voice input instead. I hope this video was helpful. And as always guys, if you like this video and want more like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.